जय जिनेंद्र, जय हिंदुस्तान। तीन रंग का नहीं वस्त्र, ये ध्वज देश की शान है। हर भारतीय के दिलों का स्वाभिमान है। यही है गंगा, यही है हिमालय, यही हिंद की जान है। तीन रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है, ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है। Let's salute the nation on the 72nd Republic Day with pride, respect and joy. But before that, let's chant Navkar Mahamantra. नमो अरिहंतानम, नमो सेधानम, नमो आयरियानम, नमो वजायानम, नमो लोए सव साहूनम, ऐसो पंच नमोकारो सर्व पावनाशनो, मंगलानं च सभेसिं परमं हवै मंगलम, परमं हवै मंगलम। जय जिनेंद्र। निस्वार्थ भाव से शासन की सेवा को करते, हर कार्य में साथ निभाते ऐसे जयेश भाई हमारे। I would like to welcome Jayesh Bhai to say few words and inaugurate the celebration of Republic Day. Jayesh Bhai.
Jai Jinendra. Thanks for joining today's program. We are going to celebrate 72nd Republic Day of India. We celebrate it every year, but this year, in spite of COVID restrictions, we have total 40 groups and individual participants. 26 January Gantantra Divas has a special place in our hearts. This is to rejoice the glory of India and its freedom fighters. I would like to convey my thanks to Chetalbai and Preeti Jain for coordinating the entire program, preparing the flyers and rules and guidelines. Special thanks to Karika Shah for taking care of all the technical related work and combining the videos. I would also like to convey a big thanks to Prerna Ben Shah for decorating the temple stage so that participants can take recording in Derasar with a very nice background. All kids who are participating, regardless if it is an individual performance or group performance, will get a gift from Jain Society of Houston. All group performances will be honored by a recognition trophy or an award. Please ensure to be seated and enjoy the entire program to respect everyone who has put countless hours to make this program successful. We have almost 40 performances of groups and individuals. It means 100 plus people have participated in this program. This is a very overwhelming response. So I thank all the participants and also all of you audiences who are right now watching it on YouTube. With that, let me all introduce a person who has been working very hard to make all our cultural programs successful. She is Lata Mangeshkar of our Jain Society of Houston. She is ready anytime to volunteer for any JSH activity. Very religious person and following strictly Jain principles in her day-to-day life. This person is none other than Preeti Jain. I welcome Preeti to come on virtual stage and continue the program. Dhanyavad.
जय जिनेंद्र, जय हिंदुस्तान। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है। सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है। Let's welcome our first participant, Isha Pokarna and Kailash Pillai, who will be playing Jana Gana Mana on violin. I would request each and everyone to please stand up and show your respect to the flag. Jai Hind. and Kailash for creating sparks in our heart and playing so beautifully. कोयल जैसी है आवाज, देश के लिए है सम्मान. Please put your hands together for our next participant, Tanvi Shah, who will be playing piano and singing on Vande Mataram. Tanvi, you have a beautiful voice. Your voice is so heartwarming. Time to call our next कलाकार, जिसकी आवाज में है दहाड़. Riyan Shah, who will be giving speech on Republic Day.
Hello everyone. Happy Republic Day. We celebrate this day to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of the British for over 200 years and became independent from the rule of the British Raj following the Indian independence movement. This year will be the 72nd Republic Day of India. Republic Day is observed as a national festival and a gazetted holiday. A Prime Minister during the time of India's Republic Day was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. During the Republic Day in India, ceremonious parades take place in Rajpath, New Delhi. On the eve of Republic Day, the President of India distributes 3 types of Padma Awards: Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Padma Vibhushan is awarded for exceptional and distinguished service. It is the second highest civilian award in India. Padma Bhushan is awarded for distinguished service of a high order. It is the third highest civilian award in India. Padma Shri is awarded for distinguished service. Padma Shri is the fourth highest civilian award in India. Since 1950, India has been hosting head of state or government of another country as the state guest of honor for Republic Day celebrations in New Delhi. Republic Day is been said to be Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, aka Mahatma Gandhi's favorite holiday. Plus, the date of Republic Day was chosen because it coincided with the anniversary of Purna Swaraj Day. Even the Indian flag was adopted on 22 July 1947, a few days before India's independence from the British. And after the Indian Constitution was made, it took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be drafted. So here are all my facts and information about Republic Day. Enjoy your day. Jai Hind! Vande Mataram! Jai Jinendra!
Thank you, Riyan, for taking us back in the history and showing us the significance and importance of Republic Day. Our next participant. Dance is her passion, nation is her strength. Let's welcome Jainami Shah, who's going to perform on Fusion. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
वतन वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचू मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचू मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। मैं वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहां रहूं जहां मैं याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन।
Wow, Jainavi, for such an energetic performance. Loved your moves and Josh for the Bharat Mata. Music is in her soul. Let's welcome Khushi Kaveria, who will be playing melody on violin. Welcome, Khushi. Khushi, you have magic in your hands. Playing 5 songs in 2 minutes, wow, that's really awesome. सारे जग से है ये न्यारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। यही तो शान हमारी है, यही है अभिमान हमारा। Our next soldier, Naksh Shah, who will be singing a song, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा।
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान
नक्श, आप छोटे हो पर किसी से कम नहीं. Very well son. Good job. Music is a language of heart without words. Our next Desh Bhakt, Fainil Shah, will be expressing his feeling through music on song तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. Join our Bhavna group. What a performance! I'm speechless. I can still feel the music in the air. भारत का वीर जवान हूं मैं, ना हिंदू ना मुसलमान हूं मैं. जख्मों से भरा सीना है मगर दुश्मन के लिए एक चट्टान हूं मैं. Our next नन्ना सिपाही, चारवी विमल शिरोला वाला, who will be singing a song. नन्ना मुन्ना राय हूं, देश का सिपाही हूं.
વેલકમ ટુ રિપબ્લિક ડે. આજે મારી નાની નાની પોલીસ બોલવાની છે. નન્ના મુન્ના રાહી હું. તમે બધા શાંતિથી સાંભળજો. જય જીનેન્દ્ર.
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ. बोलो मेरे जन जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद. रास्ते में ना चलूंगा दौड़ दौड़ के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के. मंजिल से पहले ना लूंगा कहीं दम बम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ा का कदम. देने बाय थम, देने बाय थम. नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ. बोलो मेरे धन जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद. भला होके देश का सहारा बनूंगा, दुनिया की आंखों का तारा बनूंगा. लगूंगा ऊंचा तिरंगा परचम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. देने बाय थम नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ देश का सिपाही हूँ बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद शांति की नगरी है मेरा ये वतन सबको सिखाऊंगा तार का चलन दुनिया में गिने नहीं दूंगा कहीं बम आगे ही आगे बढ़ाओगा कदम देने बाय नन्ना मुन्ना आई हूँ देश का सिपाही हूँ बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद.
It's unbelievable how these little kiddos can memorize and sing the whole song. Charvi, that was too good. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्य में जयते जहाँ नारा है, वह देश हमारा है, वह हिंदुस्तान हमारा है. Please put your hands together for Saina Parasmal, who is proud to be Indian and dancing on the song Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamala, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाएं अपने दिलों में हम वन्दे मातरम क्या नाम है अपना जहां में खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम वन्दे मातरम है हमें जाना कहाँ और चले हैं कहाँ पे हम हमसे पूछे ये बात रे वतन वन्दे मातरम
Saina, what a graceful performance. I loved your expression. That was too good. Our next brave soldier, Vihan Bhandari, who believes east or west, India is the best. He will be playing piano and singing Sare Jahan Se Acha.
Hello everyone! Happy Republic Day! India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, the great-grandmother of tradition. East or west, our India is the best. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा है हिंदू सिता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा है हिंदू सिता
You're playing piano for the first time and you did great. I'm so proud of you. अब जिसकी बारी है, जोश उसमें भारी है, देश में वो वारी वारी है, इस ग्रुप की बात निराली है. Please cheer for Aliana Group, who will be performing for Incredible India 2021.
अभिमान है, तू मेरा कर्मा, तू मेरा धर्मा, तू मेरा अभिमान है वतन महबूब मेरे, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है. हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे, है वतन तेरे लिए. दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे, है वतन तेरे लिए. दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया. It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया. It happens only in India. It happens only in India. हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा, थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. प्यारबाज हम, जानसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले. छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. यूं तो सीधे बड़े, कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा. ओ हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा. जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी. पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान निसार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
What an excellent performance, Aliana Group. I must say, super से भी ऊपर। छोटा हूं पर किसी से कम नहीं, वतन के लिए मर मिट जाऊं, इसका कोई गम नहीं। Coming up, brave Agam Shah, who will be acting as a brave freedom fighter, Bhagat Singh.
मेरा नाम आकांक्षा है और मैं आज भगत सिंह बना हूँ। हमारा नारा है इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाज़ का दिल में है। इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद। जय हिंद।
Agam, what a fabulous act. I'm short of my words. Couldn't take my eyes off of you. You are too good. Let's welcome our next participant, Mahek Javeri, who will be playing flute on National Anthem. I request each and everyone, please stand up and show your respect to the flag. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Mahek Javeri. I'm going to play the national anthem on my flute.
Playing flute is so difficult and you did a spectacular job, Mahek. That was too good. It's time for me to say Alvida. But before that, let's all say together, Bharat Mata Ki
Jai.
Now I would like to hand over the stage to most talented and very creative, Karika Shah. Karika, the stage is all yours.
દેશભક્તના બલિદાનથી સ્વતંત્ર થયા આપણે, કોઈ પૂછે તો ગર્વથી કરીશું, ભારતીય છે અમે। ગણતંત્ર દિવસની હાર્દિક શુભકામના। વંદે માતરમ. Thank you, Preeti, for such fantastic and kind words. તો બધાને મજા આવે છે ને? Picture to aji baki che. So coming up next, we have a very fantastic and talented duo, the Jodi of Two Sisters. And today they are going to present with their unique singing style a very, very exciting act. Put your hands together for none other than Jeel Jain and Myra Jain.
Jill Didi, what are you doing?
I'm preparing a song for the Republic Day program.
What is Republic Day and why do we celebrate it?
On January 26th, 1950, India became a republic. It got its first president and the constitution became its effect. In Delhi, a grand celebration is held in Rajpath, where the president takes salute from the various parades. Various states show their achievement, cultural programs are presented, and brave soldiers are awarded. It's celebrated everywhere in India.
Wow, such a proud and joyful moment for all of us. But we are in Houston. How can we celebrate?
In Houston, we can celebrate by participating in the JSS Samaj, who is celebrating by casting a virtual culture event. We are so proud to be a part of this Samaj.
So let's participate to show our love and respect for India. वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू
वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू वतन वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन सानी सा प सानी सा प सानी सा प प ध ध प ध म ध प ध म ग ग म ध प तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से
पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू
पहुंचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन तुझ पे कोई गम भी आज आने नहीं दूँ तुझ पे कोई गम भी आज आने नहीं दूँ
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शान रहे तू
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
मेरी वतन
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
मेरी वतन
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
वंदे मातरम एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में हम क्या नाम है अपना जहां में खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम है हमें जाना कहाँ चले हैं कहाँ पे हम हमसे पूछे है ये मादरे वतन
सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे
जाना है तारों से आगे अपना रुकेंगे हम ओ एक नई सुबह जगाए सारे जहां पे हम हिम्मत करे आगे बढ़े अब नए रास्तों पे हम सारी दुनिया अपनी मादरे वतन तुझे एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए क्या नाम है अपना जहां में एक नई सुबह जगाए हर इंतजार है जहां को
Wow, that was a splendid performance. Good job, Jeel and Myra. Kudos. Keep it up. Keep making us feel proud by this kind of singing and the performances. Coming up next is the youngest performer of this event, a 3-year-old. His name is Rian Sait, and today he will be singing on A.R. Rahman's track called Vande Mataram. So put up your hands together and welcome a 3-year-old Riyan Said.
जहाँ जहाँ से खलिया है कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है ऐसी नहीं सौद दुनिया कुमा में नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम मामा तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम तेरे पास ही महा रहा हूँ अपनी बातें खोल दे जोर से मुझको गले लगा है मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे तू ही जिंदगी है तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है तेरी ही पैर में जन्नत है तू दिल तू जान मामा तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम मामा तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Wow, that is the budding A.R. Rahman of our JSH. Good job, Riyan. Well, hold on. Looking at Riyan's performance, his elder sister, who is 7-year-old, Kiyana Said, is also very inspired and wants to share her patriotic moment with us. So presenting Kiyana Said.
नाम तेरा माँ हो है पुकारा, ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू, तू कैसे बुलाएगा।
Wow. So if brother is A.R. Rahman of JSH, then sister, she is the budding Shreya Ghosal of JSH. Good job, Kiana. JSH અને તમારા મમ્મી પપ્પા બધા જ are very proud of you, beta. Keep up the good work and continue this singing. With that, before I call the next artist on stage, I have a question for you all. Do you know what is Republic Day? Or why do we celebrate the Republic Day? That's a question to ponder upon. Well, no need to do some Google search, because now, coming up next is Mahir Patrawala, who has come upon with his small presentation on what is a Republic Day. So coming up next, put your hands up together for Mahir Patrawala.
Jai Jinendra, my name is Mahir and I am going to be talking about the Republic Day. Today, we all may not be a resident of India, but फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. Republic Day is the national festival of India. So, let me tell you something more about this important day. Did you know that India has been called the Golden Bird since ancient times? India was the world's largest economy. The Britishers invaded India and enslaved it and took away all our gold, treasures and precious gems. Then, after the continuous struggle of India, we finally got freedom from the British slavery on 15th August 1947. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force under the Republic leadership of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. This day we celebrate as Republic Day. On Republic Day, a parade is held every year at New Delhi. The celebration begins with the national flag unfolding by the Indian president and then singing the national anthem. At the parade, India displays its military might and power with the latest weapons and equipment in its armory. So I've made a small poem about India, and here it goes. India is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. No one can compete with it, no one can beat it. Whatever caste or religion, we all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and there are sources of prosperity. So, let's all work hard for its growth, and for its safety, let's all always be on guard. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bye.
Wow, Mahir, that was an excellent presentation. મોટો થઈને તું જરૂર પોલિટિક્સમાં આગળ કરિયર વધારી શકીશ, હા બેટા? Good job. Next, we have duo brothers, the Surana brothers, as I call them, Arihant Surana and Samkit Surana. The two brothers are going to perform using the keyboard as the instrument and do an excellent singing. But before that, I request all the audience to please stand up and give respect to our national anthem. So the stage is all yours. The Surana brothers, the floor is all yours.
My name is Arihant. Jai Jinendra, my name is Samkit. We are going to play India's national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana Adinayaka नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय दाता जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे वंदे मातरम.
Wow, good job, Arihant and Samkit Surana. ना सरकार मेरी है, ना रौब मेरा है, ना बड़ा सा नाम मेरा, मुझे तो सिर्फ एक बात का गर्व है, मैं भारत का हूं और भारत है मेरा. Presenting the next act by Team Bharat.
है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा मैं गीत वहां के गाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा.
15th August 1947, after many sacrifices, India became independent from the British rule. Let's enjoy this moment with pride and joy.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का अलबेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारो क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का गहना.
Green Revolution refers to the period in India where modern agricultural method and technology were adopted, such as high-yielding variety seeds, tractors, irrigation facilities, etc. वाह रे मेरी देश की धरती.
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती.
In June of 1983, India, led by our captain Kapil Dev, made history as we won the Cricket World Cup for the first time. We beat two-time champion West Indies by 43 runs to lift the coveted trophy. Let's celebrate.
May 1998, at hours 3:45, India conducted 3 underground nuclear tests in the Pokhran range. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Abdul Kalam, and R. Chidambaram with other key scientists. Let's relish this moment.
साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी ये किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा फनियारी रे शक्कर भाको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ घन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
The Kargil War was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district in Kashmir along the LOC, Line of Control. Let's celebrate this victory.
संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजय भव गगन कहे विजय भव.
On November 8, 2016, PM Narendra Modi announced the demonetization of 500 and 1,000 rupees banknotes to tackle black money and corruption. Biggest decision ever made.
लाइन में खड़ा है तू जो आजकल क्या सोचता है देश किसी ने दिन दहाड़े लूटा है संभल
Wow, that was a splendid performance. એટલું જ કહીશ, વિવિધતામાં એકતા એ દેશનો ગર્વ છે અને એટલે જ મને મારા ભારત પર ગર્વ છે. Well done, Team Bharat. Good job. The team included Neetu and Preeti Jain's family. Coming up next is an instrumental. Again, the national anthem. So I would request you all to please stand up. This instrumental keyboard playing of national anthem will be done by Shreya Shah. Shreya, the stage is all yours. Wow, good job, Shrey. Excellent piano playing. Coming up next is a dance on a beautiful song, "Ae Watan" by National Dil Group. So please put your hands together to welcome the National Dil Group.
Okay, class, today is the 25th of January. Do you know what it means?
No. Is it your birthday? Happy birthday!
It's not my birthday.
Darn it. We could have had a celebration.
If today's the 25th, then tomorrow's the...
Tomorrow's the 26th.
Yes, and tomorrow's a holiday.
Yay!
You know why we are having a Don't know, don't care. Don't you? Now, what special occasion India celebrate on the 26th of January? Why should we care? We get holidays regardless, right? Come on, it's Republic Day. Republic Day? What is that? That is your homework to find out all about Republic Day and its significance. And by the way, my birthday was yesterday. Come on, let's go on the internet and see some videos about Republic Day. Look, I found a video. Let's go watch it. After a long war battle for independence, they has been won. Now we must decide what to do with this country. We need rules. We need a constitution. A constitution cannot be made without people. So let the people themselves decide what to do. Let's see their progress. There should be a monarchy system of government. We should have kings and queens like Britain. Are you mad? If India is a monarchy, how are we different from the Britishers? We would be placing our trust in some idiot son of king. We should go for communism. Everything should be owned by the government. No way, I would never allow this. In times of trouble, we need to look to one man. Only the man could start from this argument. A man long dead before this argument. We need to bring him back, Mahatma Gandhi. But first, let's do something for Republic Day. Republic Day.
वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तो वतन मेरी आबाद रहे तो वतन मेरे वतन वतन
After a couple of years, India became a federal republic, and Jawaharlal Nehru became the Prime Minister of India. Happy Republic Day!
Good dancing by Mishti, Ansi, and Sanjana. Good job, the National Dil group. Coming up next is a young singer who wants to sing Nanna Munna Rahi Hoon, presenting Arav Manish Jain.
जय जिनेंद्र, मेरा नाम आरव है। आप सबको गणतंत्र दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के। मंजिल से पहले ना लूंगा कहीं दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाएं थम। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। धूप में पसीना मैं बहाऊंगा जहाँ, हरे भरे खेत लहराएंगे वहाँ। धरती पे पाके ना पाएंगे जन्म, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाएं थम। नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
Very good, Arav. Superb singing. Coming up next is a dance performance on the movie named Fana, and the song is Des Rangila, presenting Anya Jain. Wow, Anya. Amazing. बहु मजा आवी गई. देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला. Keep up the good work, Anya. Coming up next is Janagana Mana on ukulele by Diksha Kurva. I request my wonderful audience to please stand up and give our respect to the national anthem. Diksha Kurva.
Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jaha
Jai Jinendra and thank you.
Wow, Diksha. હું આવીશ તારા પાસે ukulele lessons લેવા. Good job. Thank you for that fantastic national anthem. Coming up next is the act by a group who's named as My India, My Pride. So presenting a group performance, My India, My Pride. Superb! 3 versions of Gandhiji. But this is Sanghvi brothers, Veer, Adi and Dev. Good job, beta. Very, very nice. Coming up next is a dance performance, which is a mashup by Pooja Manish Jain. Pooja, the stage is all yours.
से आते
Wow, Pooja, very nice. Thank you for that wonderful dance. Coming up next is a young singer who is going to impress us by his wonderful playback singing on Air Watan. Presenting Virag Doshi.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आज आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
Wow, that was fantastic singing, Virag. Good job. ना जियो धर्म के नाम पर, ना मरो धर्म के नाम पर, ना जियो धर्म के नाम पर, ना मरो धर्म के नाम पर, इंसानियत ही है धर्म वतन का, इंसानियत ही है धर्म वतन का, बस जियो वतन के नाम पर. With that quote, I would like to call upon the stage the immensely talented Chaital Bhai Shah. Chaital Bhai, the stage is all yours.
Thank you very much, Preeti and Karika, for helping with coordinating and organizing the 72nd Republic Day event at JSH. We appreciate your efforts and time for making this event successful. So the moment we have all been waiting for is here. We are thrilled to announce our next group of performance. The group includes Shruti Shah, Poonam Porwal, Lalita Sattawat, Pragya Jain, Paulami Mehta, and Palak Sheth. They will be doing contemporary patriotic group dance. So please welcome Shruti's group.
तब आह्वान प्रचारित शुनि तब उदार वाणी हिंदू बौद्ध शिख जैन पारसिक मुसलमान ख्रिस्टानी
पूरब पश्चिम आशे तब सिंहासन पाशे प्रेम हार हय गाथा जनगण ऐक्य विधायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
तेरा नाम है साचा, मन मेरी आने पाचा, बस नाम तेरा माँ हो। एक पहचान मेरी तू ही, जिंद जान मेरी तू ही, जहान मेरा माँ
हो। तुझ पे वार न 100 वारी जान मैं, तुझ पे वार न 100 वारी जान मैं, तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ। वंदे
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में हम। वंदे मातरम, क्या नाम है अपना जहां में, खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम। वंदे मातरम, है हमें जाना कहाँ और चले हैं कहाँ पे हम। हमसे पूछे ये बात रे वतन। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
जो माथे पे लगाया इस मिट्टी का तो रंग बसंती छाए, तुमने जो मांगा दिल सीने से निकाल के जान देने चले आए। दिल के जो माथे पे लगाया इस मिट्टी का तो रंग बसंती छाए, तुमने जो मांगा दिल सीने से निकाल के जान देने चले आए। हमें भारत कहते हैं, 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 हमें भारत कहते हैं।
मेरा भारत महान है।
A very beautiful performance by Shrutis group. They put their heart and soul for our country into the dance. So thank you very much. Our next performance is from Prakash and Manshi Shah family. Aryan and Shreyan, they'll be performing our national anthem on guitar. And Mansi will be singing a famous patriotic song, Har Karam Apna Karenge Hai Watan Tere Liye. So please welcome Manshi, Aryan and Shreyan Shah.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल जमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तिरंगा। तब सपना में जागे, तब आशीष मांगे। गाए तब जय गाता। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
जय हिंद।
हर करम अपना करेंगे, हर करम अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे, ऐ
तू मेरा कर्मा, तू मेरा धर्मा, तू मेरा अभिमान है। हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए, दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए, दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
That was amazing performance by Mansi, Aryan and Shreyan Shah. You sang and played beautifully. Our next performance is from Ayushi Kevadia. She's going to be singing Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindu Sita Hamara. So please welcome Ayushi Kevadia.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम आयुषी है और मैं गाने वाला हूँ सारे जहां से अच्छा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का, वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासबा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में कहलाती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, गुलशन में जिनके दम से रश के जिना हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदवी है हम, हिंदवी है हम, हिंदवी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। जय हिंद।
That was very beautiful singing by Ayushi. We can hear her sing all day. She sings directly from her heart. So our next performance is a group play and speech from Palash, Arya and Nishika. They are going to talk and explain us about the Indian Constitution and also the importance of Republic Day. So come, let's listen to Palash, Arya and Nishika.
Oh, hi Arya, hi Nishka. What are you doing? Hi Palash. We are making Indian flags for ourselves to use on Republic Day. Do you want to make one for yourself? Yeah, we're going to use them on Republic Day. Do you know that the Republic Day is coming?
Oh yeah, I know.
It is going to be 72nd Republic Day of India.
Oh yeah, do you know who wrote the Indian Constitution?
Do you know what's Constitution?
First spell Constitution.
You can't even draw a flag.
I know how to draw a flag. Look at this.
Can you both stop fighting now? You can simply tell each other what you know about Republic Day without fighting.
Oh, can I go first? Can I go first?
Okay, Blanche, you can go first. Tell us what you know about India's Republic Day.
See, the Constitution is the set of rules the government makes when they establish a new nation. And Dr. Ambedkar
author wrote the Indian Constitution. Nishka, do you want something to add to this?
I know that the Indian Constitution is the longest in the world. It is calligraphed in Hindi and English and saved in the Parliament of India. Now tell me, who knows what the word republic means?
The word republic means public matters. It really means that the people of a country have lots of power and they can choose their leader. And I also have a fact to add. Dr. Rajendra Prasad hoisted the Indian flag on the first Republic Day.
I can't wait to watch the flag hoisting this year at New Delhi. I heard there will be a grand parade with cultural programs. It'll be so much fun to watch it this year. Let's go!
Should we make a video on Republic Day? That would be really good and fun too.
Yeah, let's do it. I know what we can say in the video. Feel proud to be an Indian! Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat!
Feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat!
Happy Republic Day to everyone!
Happy Republic Day to everyone!
Thank you for enlightening speech about our Constitution and Republic Day. Many of us may not have known this. Thank you once again for sharing useful information about our country. Our next participant is Yatra Chheda. She'll be performing a dance on a patriotic song. So let's welcome Yatra Chheda. Thank you, Yatra. It was very creative and a wonderful performance. Our next group will be performing semi-classical Kathak dance. This group includes 3 popular Kathak dancers from our own Samaj, Toral Mehta, Poulomi Mehta, and Amitaben Solanki. Kathak is one of the most emphatic dance forms and one of the major classical dance of the Bhakti movement. So please welcome Toral, Poulomi, and Amitaben.
वतन मेरे वतन वतन आबाद रहे तो आबाद रहे तो वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
That was beautiful and mesmerizing performance. You brought love and passion for our country into the dance. So thank you, Toral, Paulomi, and Amitaben. Our next performance is Arav Jain. Arav is going to sing National Anthem and Sare Jahan Se Acha on piano. So let's welcome Arav Jain.
Jai Jinendra. Today I will be playing Jana Gana Man on the piano. Now I will be playing Sare Jahan Se Acha. भारत माता की जय.
Great musical performance by Arav Jain. It was wonderful performance and a delight to hear. Our next performance is from Anshi Parekh. She is going to sing a very popular song, Hai Watan Tere Liye from movie Razi. So let's welcome Anshi Parekh.
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचानो तुझे से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचानो तुझे से पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहां रहूं जहां में याद रहे तू ए वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच लाने नहीं दो तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो कुर्बान मेरे जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू कुर्बान मेरे जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू ए वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन.
That was wonderful performance, Anshi. You brought great connection and emotions to the song with great passion and talent throughout your singing. Our next performance is from young girl Kashvi Jain. She is going to perform dance on various famous patriotic songs. So let's welcome Kashvi Jain.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी
हमें तड़पाते हैं। वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम दिन ये घर सोना सोना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
वंदे मातरम।
Thank you, Kashvi. Your amazing skills and your energy was on next level. Your dance was beyond good and very inspirational. So thank you, Kashvi. Our next performance is from two kids, Arna Bade and Arav Jain. Arav and Arna will be singing patriotic song and playing piano as well. So please welcome Arna Bade and Arav Jain.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय हे।
Thank you, Arna and Arav. We loved and enjoy your singing and piano. You two created amazing collaboration that was wonderful to hear. So our next performance is from Arhan Mehta. He is going to be performing dance on a patriotic song. So let's welcome Arhan Mehta.
मारे
Thank you, Harhan. That was very cheerful dancing. We loved watching you dance and perform lots of fun and very good dance moves. So our next performance is from Arav Sanghvi. He's going to be playing national anthem on piano. So let's welcome Arav Sanghvi.
Jai Jinendra, everybody.
Thank you, Arav. You played piano beautifully. It was very precise and very impressive. So thank you very much. Our last performance of the day is young Om Sirolawala. He'll be performing dancing on various patriotic Bollywood songs. So let's welcome Om Sirolawala.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम ओम शिरोलावाला है। आज मैं भारत माता के लिए एक सॉन्ग पे डांस करने वाला हूँ।
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून पाकिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए,
ये लिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। आजा आजा जिंदुशानियान के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम, सत्य शाम नामातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे।
Thank you, Om. We really loved your performance. You are born to be a dancer. Your dancing and your energy both were outstanding. So this completes the performance of all our 40 participants. I'd like to thank all the participants for their excellent and wonderful performance, and also our volunteers, especially Preeti Jain and Karika Shah. And now I would like to invite our President Jayesh Bhai Porwal to give some final closing comments. Thank you, everyone.
Wow, what a great mind-blowing performance from each and every participant. This shows the energy and talent of our Samaj. I would like to thank all the 40 groups and individuals who have participated, and almost 100 plus members who have participated in these performances. At JSH, we always break our records every year, whether it is related to Swapna Boli, cultural program participants, or number of Pathshala students. I would like to convey my thanks for Chetal Bhai and Preeti Jain for coordinating the entire program, and also Karika Shah for taking care of all the technical related work. A big thank you to Prerna Ben Shah for decorating the stage so that participants can record their videos. All kids who participated, regardless if it is an individual performance or group performance, will get a gift from JSH. All group performances will be honored by a recognition trophy or an award. I would like to thank all members who watched this entire program on YouTube. If we made any mistake, Michhami Dukadam, and please let me know if we can do it more better next time. I also welcome all the members to come up with new ideas and programs, and definitely we will make it happen. Thank you. Jai Jinendra.